If you're planning to build a gaming PC in 2026 with a budget of around $1,000, this build offers a very well-balanced mix of performance, efficiency, upgrade potential, and overall value. Even as a budget-focused system, it is designed not only for today's gaming needs but also with future expandability in mind. It is ideal for 1080p high refresh rate gaming, competitive esports titles, and many modern AAA games at high settings. NVIDIA RTX 4060 8GB graphics card. This is the core component that primarily defines gaming performance in this system. Built on NVIDIA's Ada Lovelace architecture, it delivers excellent power efficiency and supports DLSS 3 frame generation, which can significantly increase FPS in supported titles. It performs strongly at 1080p ultra settings and is also capable of handling 1440p resolution in many games at reasonable settings. With ray tracing support, it also provides enhanced visual quality for users who prioritize graphics fidelity. AMD Ryzen 5 7600 boxed, a 6-core, 12-thread CPU based on Zen 4 architecture, making it one of the most optimal choices for a gaming-oriented build. Its strong single-core performance directly improves FPS, especially in esports and CPU-sensitive titles. It is also fully capable of handling multitasking, streaming, and background workloads without performance drops. Since it uses the AM5 socket, it provides a clear upgrade path to future Ryzen processors. B650M AM5 motherboard, a solid mid-range chipset within the AM5 platform. It supports Ryzen 7000 series processors and future AMD CPUs, along with DDR5 memory and PCIe Gen 4 NVMe storage. While high-end motherboards are unnecessary for a budget build, a well-built B650 board provides stable VRM performance, BIOS support, and long-term reliability, making it a smart foundation investment. DDR5 16GB 5200 MHz RAM kit. A dual-channel 16GB configuration is the current standard for gaming workloads. DDR5 memory offers higher bandwidth compared to previous generations, improving system responsiveness, loading behavior, and performance in CPU-bound scenarios. A 5200 MHz frequency is considered a stable and efficient match for the Ryzen platform. 1TB NVMe PCIe Gen 4 SSD. With PCIe Gen 4 storage, both sequential and random read/write speeds are significantly improved. This results in faster Windows boot times, reduced game loading times, quicker file transfers, and smoother texture streaming in modern games. A 1TB capacity provides a comfortable balance between system storage and large game libraries. 650W 80+ bronze power supply. The power supply is the foundation of system stability. A 650W unit provides sufficient headroom for the RTX 4060 and Ryzen 5 7600 combination, while also allowing room for future upgrades. The 80+ bronze efficiency rating helps improve power efficiency and reduces unnecessary heat output. A quality PSU is essential for long-term hardware safety. Micro ATX gaming case with RGB fans. The MATX form factor provides a compact yet functional layout for modern components. Good airflow is essential for maintaining stable GPU and CPU temperatures, which directly impacts performance consistency. Included fans help reduce overall build cost while improving cooling efficiency. RGB lighting adds aesthetic value to the overall setup. Thermalright Assassin X120. A high-value air cooler that offers significantly better thermal performance compared to stock cooling solutions. It provides additional thermal headroom, allowing the Ryzen 5 7600 to maintain boost clocks more consistently. It also reduces noise levels, resulting in a quieter and more stable gaming experience during long sessions. If you'd like to get these parts, feel free to check the links below. Final advice: at around a $1,000 budget, this build is not just a system that works, but a carefully balanced platform choice. It delivers strong FPS gaming today while maintaining a clear upgrade path for the future. For users who want maximum performance per dollar, this is one of the most efficient gaming PC configurations available in its category.